Look, I think as far as shipping is concerned, probably the biggest trend will be what happens with the weather. So whether we'll see, let's say, colder weather in the Far East or in Europe, and the balance between effectively JKM and TTF. I think that will be the driving factor for any shipping developments. I think the same on the commodity side. That will be the main factor that, let's say, affects the industry in the next year or so. Apart from that, I think, okay, obviously a normalization between Russia and Ukraine would be very well welcome, and but that's an unknown. So, as we well know, we have a few unknown factors that can, at any time, impact the market significantly. But the main parameter, I think, will be consumption in the Far East and Europe, and how much effectively China will pick up consumption this year. Look, I think the LNG industry has been very active in terms of FIDs and increasing production. So effectively, the significance of LNG as a strategic asset has been intensified. We see a lot of new LNG coming out from the Middle East as well as from the US. And I think that's, so I believe that the industry is on a good path to kind of solidify LNG's position in the energy mixture going forward. Look, I have been participating for quite some time in the summit, and I think it's a very well organized and very well attended summit always. First of all, it's a pleasure to have the summit in Greece again. I think for us it's very important to be here and to welcome all our guests and customers in Greece. And I think the potential of obviously networking is a big factor for us. But meeting people and also hearing interesting opinions, things that we wouldn't have heard otherwise in, let's say, in a neutral environment. So I think it's quite helpful for us, and we would like to thank DMG Events for hosting again in Athens the event.